Welcome back to another LT2. Today's nothing much, but just hanging around, just playing around. Probably let's start off with some more ice wood like always. This time we got the big truck. I might just leave these guys right here. And this episode, let's see, I got perfect amount of dynamite. In this episode, let's see if we are able to expand the lot, start building. I don't want nothing too crazy, but hold on, I gotta let these continue falling. Because I am not wasting more dynamite on this. Till then, I can clear out these trees so when I drive through here, they don't get in my way. Just got one more tree to go. I know this is a little bit of waste of wood, but it's not really worth it. I think this is, nope. Ooh, glad I did not go yet. I'm gonna give it, there we go. There's more still coming. Lovely. This guy right there, please do not fall. So, how's everyone's day going so far? Mine was boring due to school, then tomorrow I might not record because I have work I need to do. I have my job. But yeah, let's get some ice wood to start off the episode with, like always. This time, we're gonna cut down a whole lot more trees compared to what we did in the last episode, and hope that it shall give us enough money, because I think it's 9,000 and 12,000, and it goes up by 3,000 every time in property, because I kind of do want to build a couple shops in the near future. Holy, I can't drive. But yeah, let's see if y'all can just go into comments stuff and tell me what do you want to see next in Roblox or other games, because I will gladly get other games. I can do some feed and grow fish, even though that is a very classified old game. But maybe next week, starting, I can do the Quarantine Zone game. Get that installed on the laptop, because I cannot afford a PC yet, which makes me sad, because I really want a PC. I wonder how the video qualities will be if I have my own PC. See, can I do it? First try. Again.
Caption is, I'm a 10 out of 10 and my pronouns are bad, correct? Yeah. Top comments are, her pronouns are her shoes. She's 10 out of 10 tons. Why is she wearing her bed shoes? She's a Kardashian. I don't care about trolls. I know I'm a queen. She's a queen. Size bed. Don't like an inflated Capri Sun. 10 out of 10 chance to leave you. Thanos would have to clap for her. Can you stop sending those comments? I'm just sending the most liked.
Well, guys, we made it already.
10 out of 10 cardiology.
5 minutes into the recording.
10 out of 10 on the Richter scale.
Now here's the fun part. Chopping down these trees.
She takes selfies using Google Earth. 10 burgers away from a heart attack. Please don't eat my family. Can you stop? I thought you didn't care. I'll just take it. Honestly, validation I need. I love you, babe. And you just don't.
No, did not want to go with it.
Comments got me thinking. I'm way out of it. I'm done with you. Excuse me? I also threw out the stuff. Have fun being
Ooh. Let's see. How many trees should I get?
Yeah, of course you had a terrible marksman. You totally missed me. The three of them weren't available, but Percy had already taken control of the company's surveillance system. The moment they stepped out of the elevator, Percy shut down all the emergency exits. Kara rushed forward to stop the last door from closing. Alex kept calling Kara from the comms. Kara pulled out her phone and pretended to take the call. She told Alex that the three of them were trapped inside the company. Sometimes they didn't get away. Used in several locations, but he ruled them all out.
Also, I am creating a song soon. It's called Demon Inside. I'm gonna have my buddies also help create a beat for it. It's gonna be a little bit before that comes out, but you guys whoever watches this will be the first to know about it. But yeah, let's get all this down there. Grab this.
I have to have it. Percy invited Lena to join them. These two men tied a rope across the railway track and hid nearby. When the train stopped, they climbed aboard,
Toss this
but as
right
soon as they climbed,
here.
the TT appeared. Since they had no tickets, one man told his friend to hide in the washroom and not come out until called. The TT asked for tickets. The man said his friend had them, but was in the toilet with diarrhea. The TT called out to the friend, asking how long he'd be. The friend replied, 2 to 3 hours. So the TT left, saying
Start by grabbing this tree.
the man called him and both went inside. Then two sat down.
Also, fun fact about this, right quick. This is also classified as a selling chamber, as you can see. I'll come back and show y'all in a second. And they just get, huh?
Show any, he caught them. As punishment, he said he would make them travel to the last station, buy tickets, and return.
My dead body? This is going to be my room, and there's nothing you can do about it. Seriously? What are you guys fighting about? Okay, so we
There's
both
the
think
second
this would make
tree.
a totally awesome video. But only one of us can have it, don't you think?
Here comes the next three.
It helps with all the privacy of being on its very
And like I did in the last episode, I'll cut the footage.
I'm not an idiot. I knew
And hopefully OBS works this time where I can hear to see. Well, I know my mic works and stuff, but still. The last and final tree. Wow. Based on. Let's get this back to base right quick. Oh, looks like the rocks are forming back up again.
It's cold and it's scary up there. You could be back in your own room by tomorrow night.
I don't know, Claire. It's got a lot of potential. This is a lot nicer than the attic I lived in when we met.
Grab my stick of dynamite, just toss it inside the cab right quick.
Sweetheart, I would love to be wrong. I just don't think for that.
Let go, kids. It's not gonna budge. Kept me up
Oh
Your
no.
word against mine. That's the
I gotta
last
be
thing we'll
very
just ever
quick
know.
with this.
What really happened to the Titanic?
It hit an iceberg.
Maybe.
There's no maybe.
Oh, you're right, Claire.
Ooh, I think we're in the clear. Let me just load all of this back up again. $11 minutes in already. I'm already having problems with this. But there's the rocks already coming back. I might move this truck out of the way. Respawn this guy. There we go. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, I'm back, y'all. We just finished the last tree, and we're fixing to go sell almost a truck full. It looks like a truck full. If they don't, I did. I'm starting to hate the lag because it's all started right after I ended the last recording. So my apologies if I sound frustrated, but I just had to deal with that for the last 10 minutes. Start this off, okay? I swear, this is stupid. I'll just be faster if I do it like this. If this gets too laggy, I might just have to end the recording. Look at this big boy. From 12,000, brought me up to over 1,000. What about that? Ooh. I'm starting to get.
Surprise, surprise. Okay, bye.
What?
We'll see you over at
I
Uncle
don't know
Mitchell's.
how to comprehend the
This
words
meeting
to
of the
speak for
Pirates
this right now because of all this terrible lag. Why am I lagging? I'm closing this
Of course
right
I'll
now.
run swordsman! Oh, did I really just mess up my... Well, gotta fix it.
Holy, the game just got better. Are you serious right now?
Pirates! Oh my god, let's go! I'm so good. And my pig broke!
Hold on, I'm turning off something right quick. I'm gonna take a screenshot for this because we're gonna be buying all of these, which is gonna take a little bit.
Grab the pickaxe! What am I thinking?
If I buy 3 at a time,
We got it. Am I done?
and y'all are gonna sit through the entire process.
Were you actually shit?
Show by show, because I have not done this on my main plot either too, which I need to do.
Welcome to White Castle. What can I get you, face?
I wonder how much money this is gonna cost me.
What's that? Buddy, you can look up. There's a nice red wire right above you. That's the emergency ring. We're gonna have you pull it whenever we tell you.
Going all the way back to the 1940s. From our sound scene.
Yes,
Went pretty fast. I just wanted to slow it down so you just take a couple shots.
after this, we might buy a better sawmill if we have enough. Which I think we should. What in the world? Why are these glitched?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I can't rebuy that one, but once it comes back, I will buy it again. Till then, speaking of coming back, perfect timing. That finishes in the... No. Oh wait, it's because I already have it. Alright. Now these guys. Let's Hold on. Wait, no, it's much faster if I do it like this.
Yeah. It's fine, sure.
Come on, respawn, respawn. There we go. Got a top shelf. A lot of people might think this is a waste, but actually this could be helpful in future references. Like, you don't have to come all the way back and then drive, respawn vehicles and all that. That way you have every single blueprint at your standing and you don't have to worry about it. So, this is what this episode is dedicated to, and we're gonna have a new sawmill.
Want to get chance of survival?
Hopefully.
Vehicles. Dodge Challenger.
Come on. We still got the wedges and stairs to get. One more.
Things others hate. 1. When I go out. 2. When I don't go out. 3. When I eat too much. I just got a back.
Got a tile. I'm actually already almost done. Yes. Nope, it did not work. Until that can respawn, let's get this. Let's get the doors. Okay, now the tile section is finally complete.
My eyes are not the greatest. You might.
We got 12 more after this. We are not going to fancy furnishing for theirs, because those ones I can get in the near future, but I ain't that rich yet. So let's get these. Alright, the wedges. We got. Okay, my calculations were wrong. We got. Why is there so many wedges? Holy.
What's going on, Amanda?
I'm gonna just buy 3 at a time at this point.
Yeah, we right here though. What you gonna do about it? We don't yeah. Wait, no, don't call the cops. It's not that deep. It's not that serious. Don't call the cops. What the? This is a swamp. We're gonna get swamped. Like, I'm on foot though. I'm on foot with it. I ain't scared. No, we're talking that.
I'm gonna buy these 3 right here on the bottom.
You have the cops in the way? I'm hungry. I can't come in and eat.
Just walking back and forth like this is an everyday thing.
Oh, you were always joking. Okay, let's actually call the cops. Why? Oh, you guys weren't wanting the cops are here. I apologize. I'm going to
Who knew doing this would take this long? Oh, hey, he's getting rich off of it. Ruben getting rich. Also, if you guys want, y'all guys can add me on here and we can all play together on this. My username is Grim Reaper, aka I'll show you in 1 second. I underscore am XNN. So feel free to add me. Just go in the comments, tell me your username. Okay, so I have not done those 2. Step back when I have not done, which is 23 X1. What is 23? No, I have not. So please can kindly. There we go.
I got all even romanced her so she wouldn't feel lonely. 3 whole weeks go by and everything seems perfect, but unfortunately, the ship's captain finds her during a routine check. Logan, what are you doing on my ship?
Sir, please, I have a deal with one of your sailors. He makes me food, he even makes love to me, and I get a free trip to Europe. Please let me go.
Oh, no, not another one. You're the 5th crew that he brought this year. This boat doesn't even go to Europe. It's not even a real boat. This is just a ferry that goes back and forth between 2 amusement parks.
I really hope my fan base does get bigger over time, because I really want to make this a career where I do post on YouTube, I do post on Insta, I will tag my users there. I do have more followers on TikTok than ever than any of my other platforms, and I'm surprised because I posted more on YouTube than TikTok, I think. I'm not sure, but I will gladly, if you want, I can just DM me on Insta your user name. Oh Lord, it's this little bug again.
White chocolate spray? Potato chip spray. I'm definitely picking the white. I recently found out why my mom
I already bought it. I'm not that smart.
Take naps or sleep if I was awake ever. Or if she did, she would lock her bedroom door. So when I was 6, I was asleep in my
So
bed.
about those 4 back ones, it's time to buy the 4 front ones.
Standing by the window with just a huge pile of spaghetti all over the seal and a pot on the ground. And I'm like, are you gonna eat all that? And y'all, she gets big mad and yells at me and chases me to my room. And then a little
For some reason, got the King Von's Armin Dangerous song stuck in my head. That's not a sponsor or anything. It's just it's been stuck in my head. Although I do love him and stuff. But that one specific song is just stuck in my head. Well, speaking of, we just have now finished buying every blueprint. Look at all this furniture, doors, blueprint walls now. You're 22. You're 11. Should I? I'm gonna get the 11. Maybe in the next episode. Alright. Now I just need to build a. Oh, wait. Now I think I can get lava wood. But before we end this episode, I will be editing some of this part out and all. So I am gonna buy me some land once I get a little bit more cash, because I think it's 9,000 and I need 4,000 more. I wish there was a horn button. It's currently 10:30 at night for me, and I'm doing this. Oh wait. Oh wait. Moment. Hold on. It's time for my big brain. I need one of you right there. Flip the other way around. Need you. Come on, I know you want to fit. Oh, let's retry that. There we go. As time goes on, this will change. But first, let's get a large 4 blueprint right here. That way it makes my job a whole lot easier. Actually, wait, what am I doing? I should just cut down some of these trees right quick. I mean 9,000. Which I know this ain't gonna give me enough.
Excuse me, I thought we censored for YouTube guidelines.
Let's go sell this right quick. I've been waiting for a long time. I need it. Ah, who cares? 7,000. We're at 7,000. Well, guys, I will do some off grinding. Till then, this is where I'm gonna end the episode. Have a good afternoon, good evening, good night, and good morning to whoever watches this next. I'm gonna respawn to all the vehicles, and then bye bye.